next 1 hour for us. Okay. Okay. Before we start, I would like to say, give me a second. Okay, give me 1 second. Okay, I would like to say, Happy Eid Mubarak to all the ones that celebrated. Okay, hopefully you guys have a wonderful time with the family and friends. Okay, and then happy holidays to the other ones that not celebrating. Okay. Okay, let's start the lesson for today. Okay, let me share the screen really quick. Okay, give me a second. Okay, there you go. So we are continuing with the chapter 4, okay, about striking up a conversation when you're running into a friend. Okay, I would like to have some volunteers for the role plays. Okay, let's have let's start with Nicole. Nicole, I'm gonna have Nalita to be Nicole.
Yes, Miss. Good evening, Miss.
Good evening, Nalita. All right, are you ready?
Yes.
All right, let's do Nicole, okay?
Hi. Hi, Jen. What's up? I haven't seen you for ages.
Very good. Thank
You,
you.
Miss.
Next, we have Jane for Hastuti, please.
Good evening, Miss.
Good evening,
I'm
Nicole.
ready.
Sorry, Jane.
Is Jane, Nicole,
Yes.
fancy running into you here. Do you have time for a cup of coffee?
Okay, a little bit correction, okay?
Okay,
Right
Miss.
here, you says, fancy running
Running
into
into
you
you
here.
here. Oh yeah,
Here.
here,
Here.
here.
Yes. Okay, better. Okay, let's try again.
Okay, Nicole, fancy running into you here. Here.
Here.
Do you
Yes.
have time for a cup of coffee?
Okay. Okay, so you're gonna say here, here,
Here,
like
here,
here.
here, here,
Yes, yes, yes. That's good.
here.
Very good. Okay,
Okay,
keep on
okay, okay,
practicing
Miss.
that word. Okay. Thank
Okay,
you.
Miss. Thank you.
Okay, next we have Jane. Sorry, Nicole for Brandon, please.
Good evening, Miss.
Good evening, Brandon.
Sure. We really, sorry. Sure. We really need to catch up. Do you work around here?
Yes, very good. Thank you. Next, I have Jane for Pichu, please. Okay.
Good evening, Miss.
Good evening,
Hello.
Pichu. Can you hear
Good
me?
evening. Yes.
All right, right. Jane for
O-
you.
Okay. At the dress shop across the street, I'm a sales assistant for the time being, but I'm hoping they'll promote me to buyer after I have some experience on the floor.
Very good. Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay. Next, I have Nicole for Farin, please.
Yes, Miss.
All right, Nicole.
Nicole. Oh,
Yes.
I love that shop. Their clothes are so trendy and different from the run of the mill. You look fantastic. I'll bet their sales have gone up since you started working there.
Very good. Thank you.
Thank you, Miss.
You're welcome. Next, I have Jane for Linda, please.
Well, I try. The thing is, I enjoy the work,
because I love the clothes and I like helping people find what works for them. It's actually quite fulfilling.
Okay, did you miss because?
I love the clothes.
Did you miss the word because here?
Huh?
I enjoy the work
Because
because.
I love the clothes and I like helping people find what works for them. It's actually quite fulfilling.
It's very good. Thank
Okay,
you.
thank you.
Next, I have Nicole. Second, let me pull this up. All right, Nicole. Nicole for Desmi, please.
Yeah, good evening, Mrs.
Good
Susan.
evening, Desmi.
Good for you. And I think the idea of becoming a buyer is great. Before you know it, you will be working on your own designs. I remember how you used to dream of being a fashion designer.
Okay, very good. Okay, a little bit correction though. Okay, remember here there is no you will, huh?
You.
This is yes, exactly. Okay, so try to pronounce that word when you don't make it the long way of that. Okay, because it's you'll instead of you will. Yes,
Yes,
even though
okay.
it's the same meaning. Okay, very good. Other than that, okay, thank you.
Welcome, Miss.
Okay, next I have Jane for Lily, please.
Good evening, Miss.
Good evening, Lily. Right here,
Yeah,
Jane.
yeah. And I think this is a step in the right direction. Now, what are you up to? The last I heard, you were about to move across country. I hope you're back to stay.
Okay. Yes. Pronunciation is pretty good. Okay, all the words are said correctly. Just the intonation. Just try to improve the intonation. Okay. Okay, as if that you're talking to the Nicole right in front of you. Okay. So
Okay,
try
Miss.
to visualize that Nicole is in front of you. That way you'll improve your intonation. Okay. Thank you very much. Okay, next I have Nicole for Daisy, please.
Good evening, Miss.
Good evening, Daisy. Let's do Nicole.
Okay. As a matter of fact, I just got back a couple of months ago. I'm glad I won because now I know I really want to be here. I'm working as a waitress right now, but I'm hoping to get a teaching job. I have applied to most of the local school districts, so have my finger crossed. I will get something this fall.
Okay. Little bit correction for you. Okay, some words. Okay.
Okay, Miss.
I'm glad I went.
I'm glad
No
I
went.
won.
Okay. I went.
When?
Yes. Okay, perfect. And then I'm working as a waitress right now.
I'm working as a
Would you like to say
waitress
that?
right now.
Yes, now. Okay. And
Mm.
then let's
Now.
see. Okay, here. And then remember, all right, say it's like this. It is an abbreviation of I have, but this
Mm.
is a short way there it's written here, so you're gonna read as I've I've
I.
applied. Okay, I've applied
I've
to most
applied.
of the local school districts, so so have my fingers crossed.
Oh,
Okay, fingers
fingers.
crossed. Okay, would you like to try again that sentence?
I've
I've
applied. I've applied to most of the local school districts, also have my fingers crossed.
Fingers.
Fingers.
Fingers. Yes.
Fingers.
Yes.
Crossed.
I'll get. This is
I'll get
I'll again.
something. I'll
This
get
fall.
something this fall.
Yes. Okay. So remember when there's we have a contraction. Okay. Okay. These are called contraction.
I,
I'll. Okay.
I'll,
Like say like this. I am right. We don't read I am working, but we read as I'm.
I'm.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay. Other than that, very good. Okay.
Okay. Thank you,
Thank
Miss.
you. You're welcome. Next, I have Jane. Jane, for city, please.
Good evening, Miss.
Good evening, city.
Okay, I'm
Okay, let's
ready.
do Jane right here.
What do you want to teach? I've heard there are openings for high school teachers in Howard Country.
Okay, this is county. Yes, no country. County is
County.
like a,
County.
yes, it's like a district like that. Okay, in Indonesia, it's like about okay, Jakarta Barat, West Jakarta, okay, and then Central Jakarta. That's the county. Okay,
Okay, okay.
okay, very good. Thank you.
Thank you.
Next, I have Nicole for Friska, please.
Good evening, Miss.
Good evening, Friska. Do Nicole.
Okay. No way. I ever I haven't even applied there. I'll do it as soon as I get home. Man, that they'll be awesome if they need a biology teacher. Thanks for the tip. Which remind me, waiting tables isn't all bad. On weekends, I get pretty good tips. And banking on the info you just gave me, I think I'll follow you back to work and spurt on a new dress.
All right. Now, Friska, a little bit.
Yes, Miss.
Again, the contraction. Okay, contraction of that will, that'll be. Okay,
Okay.
that'll be awesome. All right. Would you
Miss,
like to try that? Say it.
that'll be awesome.
No, that'll,
That'll,
that'll be.
that'll be,
Yes. Okay, that'll be awesome.
that'll be awesome.
Yes. Okay, very good. And then right here, which reminds. Okay, because we have the s here, which reminds me, waiting tables isn't all bad. Okay.
Which,
Okay, this is with the s. Okay.
okay,
Yes,
Miss.
and then right, and then another word here. It's you're gonna say it's with the ge, so you're gonna splurge, as if there is s, seakan-akan ada s-nya ya, splurge.
Splurge.
Yes, very good. Okay, try to practice on those words that you missed. Okay, other than that, very good. The intonation is perfect.
Okay, Miss, thank you.
You're welcome. Next, I have Jane for Mr. David, please. All right. All right. There you go. All right, Mr. David, for Jane, please.
Great, great idea. Have in mind something for you to try on.
Okay, very good. Thank you.
Thank you.
Just try to improve on the intonation. Okay, that's by practicing every day, and then by visualize that you are talking to Nicole right in front of you.
Good afternoon,
Okay.
Miss. Thank
Okay,
you.
thank you very much. Okay, now later on, okay, we have Nicole. Okay, Nicole for, let's see, it's alkalic. Alkalic, I believe. Okay. Okay, sorry.
Yeah, Miss.
Okay.
Hello.
Do I spell your name right? Alkalic.
Yeah.
Oh,
Later.
okay, there you go. Okay, right here.
Good evening, Miss. Sorry.
Yes.
Good evening, Miss.
Oh, sorry. Good evening.
Yeah.
Okay, okay, okay. Go ahead. You're doing Nicole.
Oh, okay. Nicole. Wow. I
Yes.
love this one. I guess I'm getting ahead of myself. But I have a feeling this is just what I need for the interview with the principal. Principal, principal.
Okay, principal. Yes.
Yeah, principal.
Okay. Little bit suggestion for you. Okay, visualize you're talking to somebody in front of you. Jadi divisualisasikan ada si Jane di depannya ya. Jadi
Okay.
intonasi suaranya akan berbeda sama kalau kita lagi berbicara bahasa Indonesia. Kalau kita baca conversation itu datar aja kalau nggak membayangkan seseorang ada di depannya. Kalau kita membayangkan seseorang di depan pasti intonasinya ada naik turunnya ya. Okay, same thing for
Oh,
every language. Okay,
thank you.
you're welcome. Okay, next I have Jane. Jane for Mr. Aji, please.
Well, what?
Jane.
Jane, okay.
Yes.
Okay. May I start?
Yes, go
Great.
ahead. Sorry.
Okay. Great. I already have in mind some things for you to try on.
All right. Okay. We're right here. Jane, this Jane. Okay. Later
Oh,
on, the very bottom, on the bottom of the page. Can you see
okay.
this cursor
Later.
here? Yes.
Jen,
Yes. And for the first day of school.
for the
And
first day of school,
yes, very good. Okay, it's short. Okay, next time I'll give you a longer one, I guess. Okay. Thank you, but
okay.
its intonation is pretty good. Okay.
Okay.
Next, I have Nicole for Cynthia, please. All
Okay.
right,
Thank
Cynthia.
you, Miss.
Nicole, you're welcome. Go
Thanks so
ahead.
much
Good.
for your help. Now I'm really pumped. I'm so happy I ran into you today.
Very good. Thank you. Next, I have Jane for Mr. Aji again. Okay.
Wait,
Right here, Jane.
Jane.
Me too. Like that. Okay. Oh, sorry. Okay, there you go. Okay.
Me too. Let's make sure we we get together more often.
Okay, very good. Thank you. All right. Next, I have Nicole. Nicole for Mr. David, please.
Pagi.
Nicole.
Yeah, yeah, I promise. I promise I'll keep in touch.
Okay. Little correction, okay? I promise I'll
I
keep in touch.
I keep in touch.
Okay, this is I promise I'll
I
keep in
promise.
touch.
I promise. I
I promise.
I I promise.
I promise.
Promise. promise.
Okay.
I'll keep in touch.
Okay, very good. Okay, it's good enough. Okay, just keep on
Thank,
practicing at home. Okay. Next, I have Jane. Okay, give me a sec. Jane for city, please.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Right here,
Take
Jane.
care and let me know what happens. Bye for now.
Bye for now.
Bye for now.
Yes, okay. Now sekarang and no is tidak, yes, and with the W, so we gonna read as now. Okay, very good.
Okay,
Thank
thank
you.
you.
Next, I have Nicole, the last one. Give me one sec. Okay, Nicole, for Master David again, okay?
Nicole lagi. Waduh.
Nicole, yes, go ahead.
Thanks. Good evening, Miss.
Good evening. Okay, go ahead, Nicole.
Bye and thanks again.
Okay, very good. Thank you. All right, guys, we are done with the role play. Now we are going to continue with the exercise. Okay, give me 1 second. Let me check. Okay, so we were finished until exercise 4.4. Okay. Okay, we did 4.3 already last week. Okay, we also did this exercise 4.4 also, but we didn't. Okay, give me a second. All right, but I'm not really satisfied with the result. Okay, it seems like some of you guys still kind of confused using the words. Okay, the synonym from this column with this. So we're gonna try to do it again together. All right. Now, what we're gonna do is we're gonna match the word from column here, the left column, to the right column. Okay, and then there are might be more than one word that match that expression right here. Oke, jadi kita akan memasangkan antara kata-kata ekspresi yang di kolom ini dengan di kolom sebelah kanan, yang kemungkinan ada beberapa lebih dari satu jawaban ya. Oke, let's see. Oke, alright.
Yes, Miss.
Oke, Nalita, let's do number 1.
What a coincidence. What a surprise.
Well, okay.
Wow. Fancy meeting you here.
Okay, B.
Oh.
You say B. Yes, fancy meeting you here. Okay. And then you say M. Wow.
What a surprise.
What a surprise.
Wow,
okay.
yeah.
Yes. Okay. BKM. Okay.
And wow.
Okay, hold on. So your answer was B, K,
D
and
K
M.
M. Yes.
Oh, okay. All right. Now, B, what a coincidence, oke? Okay? Maksudnya itu saat kita bertemu dengan seseorang, kita akan, wah kebetulan sekali, begitu. Kalau bahasa Indonesianya begitu ya, kalau what a coincidence, oke? Okay? Kebetulan sekali, that's when you say, when you see somebody that we haven't seen them for ages, okay, for a long time. Okay, then you're gonna say, fancy meeting you here. Okay, just like what we had in our conversation. All right, and then you say
what a surprise.
What a surprise. Yes, you can say that also. Okay. K, and then you say M. Wow. Wow. Okay, when you see somebody, let's say, haven't seen them for a long time, then and all of a sudden you see them in a supermarket, would you say wow on them on the first word coming out from you?
No.
No, right? No, it doesn't make sense. Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. So wow, yes, wow is an expression of surprise, but not in this kind of context. Yes. Okay. Surprise,
Okay.
maybe like this. Okay. You can say like this. Okay. He won the 50 million lottery. Wow. You can say that. Yes. Okay.
Oh, yeah.
But when okay for this and then it's not a good match, right? Okay, so we have B. I agree with you, and then what a surprise. Okay, there, and then okay. I think that's it, huh? Oh no,
Yeah.
there is one more.
Oh,
No way. Okay, when you see somebody like the first time after ages, after a
oh,
long time, then you're gonna say, "No way." Is
oh,
that you? That's it. There you go.
okay.
You can use that. Yes. All right.
Okay.
Okay,
Miss.
you got it?
I
Yes.
got it.
Okay, very good. Okay. So
Thank
next
you,
time,
Miss.
remember, don't say wow when you see somebody, okay? When you haven't seen them for ages, all right? They're gonna be like, okay, wow, wow, what? Okay, okay. Thank you.
Thank you, Miss.
All right. So give me a sec. Okay, wow is an expression of surprise, wonder, and pleasure. Okay, as we learn. Okay, let me see. Let me pull out the. Okay, 37. It's we have it in our explanation. Give me one sec. 37. I'll show you guys right here. Okay. Wow. There you go. Wow is a common way to express surprise, pleasure also, and also what do you call wonder. Okay. Okay, here is an expression of surprise. Okay, here's your exam. Wow, I got an A. Okay, surprise. Okay, that's how you use the wow. Okay, this is where we'll be living for a while. Wow, it sure needs a lot of job, a lot of work. Okay, that's how you guys use wow. Okay, but definitely not for the what a coincidence. Okay, let's continue with our exercise. Number 2, that's a wise decision. Okay. For Hastuti, please.
Okay, Miss. Number 2.
Number 2.
That's a wise decision. Maybe
Yes.
uh, they, that's a step in the right direction. Direction.
Yes.
That's a step in the right direction.
Direction. Yes.
Direction.
Okay. Yes. Anything else you think? I agree with you. Okay. Let me see the conversations. Okay. Step in the right direction. Yes. Is that it? Is Hastuti there still?
Okay. Okay.
Oh, okay. Okay. Do you think any other answer? Anything else you think?
Enough, Miss?
I think so also, huh?
So,
Okay, I think so. I agree with you. Okay, so that's a wise decision that
Decision
has the similar meaning with that's a step in the right
in the right
direction.
direction.
That's a wise decision. Yes. Okay. Okay. We're learning English American because that's what I learned. So I'm gonna say it's a direction instead of
Direction.
direction. Yes, direction is for British English. Yes, they're gonna say
Okay.
direction or maybe the Australian
Mm.
English, but I'm used to the American English as a direction. Okay, but both it's the same meaning. Okay,
Okay, Miss.
very good. Thank
Thank
you.
you.
All right, number 3, Farin. Let's try to answer this.
Yes, Miss Susan.
In
Number 3, I'll bet.
Mhm.
Same with F. I have my fingers crossed.
Okay.
And that's all. Only one answer, I think.
I'll bet, huh? I'll bet here is the answer is I don't think so.
Oh,
Well, okay. I'll bet I'll bet itu bahasa Indonesianya I'll bet I'll bet your
saya
uh
yakin.
enggak I'll bet not sure not
Oh,
sure
eh.
uh,
Mm.
dia nggak begitu yakin. Okay, in the conversation, okay, let's show you guys on the conversation. Okay, let's see. Let me see where you go. Give me 1 second. I'm gonna show you guys on the conversation so it'll be more clear. Hmm. I'll bet their sales have gone up since you started working there. Okay, that's the words there. Okay, let me give me 1 second. Let me see if there is a should be one explanation. I'll bet. Okay, there you go. Give me a second. Here. Splurge. Here, right here. Okay, I'll bet that indicates sincere belief that what you're going to say is true, even though you have no proof. Okay,
Yes.
so what's Maria up to? I'll bet she's making a lot of money, but you're going to say it's true, but even though you have no proof. Jadi masih meraba-raba begitu ya.
Oh.
Jadi ini however you're applying to someone else with this and that you don't believe. Oke. Okay. Tapi kalau misalnya ada seseorang yang ada statement nih, ada satu statement dulu, kemudian pernyataannya bilang I'll bet means you're not sure. You don't believe it. Oke. Nah, jadi tergantung konteks kalimatnya. Oke, jadi gini. Nah, ada seseorang si Jane. Oke, Jane say, I hear Maria's making a lot of money. And then Nicole say, I'll bet. So when Nicole saying I'll bet means that she doesn't believe that Maria is making a lot of money.
Okay.
Okay, when she's saying only I'll bet, when somebody's just saying I'll bet means she doesn't believe it. Yes, but if okay, I'll translate it. Sorry. Oke, jadi kalau misalnya ada seseorang yang membuat pernyataan nih, misalnya si Jane ngomong, saya dengar-dengar nih si Maria nih buat dapat bisa dapat banyak duit nih ya, bisa pekerjaannya bagus, dapat banyak duit begitu ya. And then Nicole said, I'll bet. And then Nicole's gonna say, I'll bet. Nah, itu menunjukkan bahwa si Nicole ini don't believe that Maria is making a lot of money. Dia nggak percaya kalau Maria itu bisa menghasilkan banyak uang.
Okay.
Nah, itu kalau misalnya cuman ada yang membalas pernyataan begitu, itu artinya don't believe. And then we have another I'll bet. Okay, this is indicates sincere belief that what you're going to say is true. Nah, itu harus ada dalam satu kalimat yang lebih dari I'll bet bla 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 bla. Oke? Jadi kalau ada I'll bet bla 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 lanjutannya, dan itu menunjukkan bahwa apa yang dinyatakan itu kemungkinan terjadi meskipun nggak ada bukti. Nah, gini. Example. What's Maria up to? I'll bet she's making a lot of money. Nah, di sini kan I'll bet-nya itu ada kalimat lanjutannya ya. Nah, kalau ada kalimat lanjutannya begini, itu berarti kita menunjukkan adanya keyakinan bahwa dia bisa mendapatkan banyak uang. Yes? Jadi berbeda ya, jadi kalau misalnya ada I bet bla 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 or I'll bet period. Yes? Okay, you got it?
Yeah, I got it.
Okay, so now on the exercise we only have the sentence I'll bet. Yes,
Yes.
correct. Yes. Okay, so that is showing do not believe.
Do
Yes.
not believe, yeah.
Yes. Okay, let's go back there. Okay, where is the? Okay, let's go back to our exercise. Okay, there you go. Let's go. Number 3. Okay, so what is your answer?
I'll bet similar with no way.
Showing not believe. Yes.
I don't
okay,
think so.
I agree with you. Yes, I don't think so. I'll bet. Yes, showing that you don't believe it, right? Okay, I agree with you. Anything else?
That's all.
And I don't think so. I don't think Maria is making a lot of money. Yes. Okay.
Yeah.
And then no way she's making a lot of money. Yes. 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 E and H.
Yeah. To answer.
Okay, I agree with you. Okay, perfect. You understand how you to use the alphabet, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Hopefully others. Okay. Understand also. Okay, my explanation. Very good. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Okay, next, number 4. I agree. Okay, for Pichu, please.
Yes, Miss.
Pichu, number 4. I agree.
I agree. I think the answer is I. Me too.
Oh, yes, me too. Okay, I agree. Me too. Oh, I mean, I agree with your answer. Okay. Okay, anything
Me
else? Me too. Okay, anything?
I think that's it.
That's it, huh? Okay. I agree. Okay. Thank you.
Thank you. You're welcome.
Okay, next, number 5. Speaking of which, okay. Speaking of which, Friska, please.
Yes, Miss.
All right, Friska, number 5.
Speaking of which, the same meaning with which reminds me.
Yes. Okay. Okay, anything else?
That's all, Miss.
Yes, I think so also. Okay, yes. So we use this in previous chapters. Okay, speaking of which, okay, and then it has the same meaning that we can use as a substitute of which reminds me. Okay, remember which reminds with the s. Okay, because it's one action which reminds me, so it's only one action, only one with the verb has to be with the s. Okay, very
Okay,
good,
Miss.
thank you.
Welcome, Miss.
Okay, next, number 6, hopefully. Desmi, please.
Yes, Miss. Hopefully
All right,
A
number
before
6, hopefully.
the answer. Stay meaning with A before you know it. Before you know it.
Okay, what alphabet is that? Let me see. Oh, number,
A.
you say A.
Yeah,
Okay,
before you know it.
before you know it.
I start thinking wrong.
What is it?
F.
F.
I
Okay, I
finger
have my
crossed.
finger crossed.
Crossed.
Okay. Okay. Two of them. So you
Yes.
have A and F. Yes. Hopefully. Okay. Okay. Let's say. Okay. Let's give you an example in the
Hopefully.
sentence. Okay. Hopefully. Okay. Now try to give you an example in the sentence. It'll be easier. Okay. Okay. In the conversation. All right. Okay. I've applied to most of the local school district. So have my finger crossed. Okay. I've applied to most of the local school districts, so have my finger crossed. Okay. So hopefully I'll get something this fall. Okay. So okay, now see, let me put that conversation back. Okay, give me a second. Okay, right here. Oh, okay. Too fast. Right here. Okay. That's me. Let's check this
Yeah.
sentence here. Okay. Give me 1 second. Okay, okay. Okay, here. Okay, start from there. Okay. Okay, I've applied to most of the local school district, so have my fingers crossed. I'll get something this fall. Okay, so when you use this, so have my fingers crossed, and then continually blah blah blah. What you expect to happen? Yes. Nah, jadi ini di sini kalimatnya uh, you said your answer was one of them was have my finger crossed. That's same with hopefully, right? Now the other one, I agree with you with that answer. Now the other answer yours was before you know it. Before you know it.
Before you know it.
Okay. Now let's do it in this sentence. I've applied to most of the local school districts, so before you know it, I'll get something this fall. Okay. Now, have my finger crossed. It's like itu menunjukkan suatu pengharapan ya. Hopefully, suatu pengharapan saya akan mendapatkan pekerjaan itu this fall. Yes. Okay. Now, if you have this before you know it, okay. I don't think that's a correct match because it doesn't show suatu pengharapan begitu ya. Hope, hope like that. It doesn't show hope. Before you know it, it's like a surprise like that, showing a surprise instead of hope. Okay, so let's go back to the conversation now. So I agree with your one of the answer. That's gonna be F. Huh? So hopefully, okay, hopefully that's for F. Yes, I have my finger crossed. Usually be finger crossed. Okay, so not for A. Yes. Okay. Thank you, Desmi. Okay, now let's do number 7. Count on the chicken. Count your chickens before they hatch. Okay. Lily, please.
Yes, miss. Number 7. Count
Count your
your
chicken.
chickens before they
Hatch.
lay.
Jadi telur. Jadi ini masih kalau diterjemahkan dalam bahasa Indonesia, telurnya belum pecah ya, tapi sudah menghitung. Oh, nanti ini ada berapa chicken, dapat ayamnya berapa begitu ya. Okay, let's do it. Number 7. Okay.
The same meaning with get ahead for yourself.
Okay, get ahead of yourself. Yes. Okay, anything else?
Only one, miss.
Okay, I agree with you also. Okay, so jadi belum stepnya baru step 1, tapi kita sudah memikirkan hasil di step 10. Okay, yes, I agree. Okay, count your chickens before they hatch means get ahead of yourself. Okay, thank you. Next, number 8, soon. For city, please.
Soon.
Okay, soon. Yes.
Is segera. Apa ya?
Soon.
Which reminds me.
Oh, okay. Which reminds you. Okay, soon. Soon I'll go to school soon. Okay.
Ya.
My daughter. Okay, saya kasih contoh dalam kalimat ya. My daughter is 5 years old and she'll go to school soon. Oke. Oke, kira-kira kalimat yang cocok apa untuk penggantinya soon? My daughter is 5 years old and she'll go to school before you know it. Yes.
Oh, ya.
Yes. Okay. Before you know it. Jadi menunjukkan itu waktu itu berjalan cepat. Jadi begitu ya. Jadi tanpa disadarin. Begitu maksudnya. Before you know it.
Oke.
Okay? Okay.
Okay.
Thank you. Okay. Number 8, please. Number 9. For Farin, please.
Yes, Miss Susan.
All right, number 9. Yes, try number 9.
For a long time.
Long time.
Same with C for ages.
Yes. Okay. Very good. Anything else you think? That
No.
match? No. Yes, I agree with you. Very good.
Yeah.
Thank
you,
you.
Miss.
Next, number 10. I don't agree. I don't agree. For Eva, please.
Good evening, Miss.
Good evening, Eva.
Yeah, number 10.
Number 10.
I don't agree.
Yes.
The answer is me neither.
Okay.
No way.
Okay.
Then I don't think so.
Okay, let's do the alphabet. You say E first, yes?
Yes.
Okay,
E.
so
That's
E.
all.
I don't think so. And then what's the next one?
Me
No
neither.
way.
Yeah, no way. Yeah.
Okay, you say, okay, sorry. Me neither. Yes, I agree with you. Okay. Then, no way. Okay. I don't agree with you. Okay. I'm sorry. Okay. I'm reading the question. Okay. I don't agree. Okay. Then the similarity is, I don't think so. Me neither. And then no way. Okay. Very good. Thank
Yep.
you.
Thank you, Miss.
All right, guys, we are done with this exercise. Okay. All right. It's quite a long time, huh? All right. Exercise 4.5 is about matching the words also, and then it's a lot of them. There's 13 numbers, so I'm gonna skip that for following week. Okay. Let's do the short exercise on it. Okay. I think exercise 4.6. Because, okay, let's do this 4.6. Okay, just give me the appropriate response to each question. Okay, what are you up to? All right, Friska, please.
Yes, miss.
Okay, Friska, number one, what are you up to?
What are you up to? I'm about to go on vacation. Miss? Miss?
Ya, sahabat kelas mau nunggu bentar ya, sepertinya jaringan mic-nya keluar kayaknya.
Oh, okay.
Ya, Miss. Tes. Miss Susan. Ya, sahabat kelas, tunggu sebentar.
Okay, sorry, Mr. Tony, I got kicked out. Okay, my internet wasn't stable. Okay, sorry about that. Okay, let's continue really quick. Oh, we have 3 minutes left. What do you think, Mr. Tony? Should we end it now or?
Ya, boleh Miss, kita lanjutin minggu depan.
Yeah, okay. Okay, let's continue next week. Okay, guys.
Ya, sahabat kelas, untuk kelas malam ini karena gangguan jaringan ya, kita akhiri sampai di sini ya.
Okay, thank you guys. Thank you, Mr. Tony. Bye, guys.
Thank you. Thank you, Miss Susan. Bye-bye. See you next week.
Thank you.
Next
Thank you,
time.
Miss.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Stay healthy,
Thank you.
guys. Okay,
Thank
bye.
you.